She cares about his money in the city where she's from.
James Charles here, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm joined with a very iconic and spooky sister special guest.
Spooky sister special guest.
Happy Halloween!
Hi, how are you? I'm so happy.
Oh, welcome to my channel, you guys. This is Kylie Jenner.
At Kylie Jenner.
In case you do not know. We're here today to film a collaboration, and I am so beyond excited. Kylie tweeted me.
Too. I did tweet you. I was on a trip bored, and that's when I came across your YouTube. I always knew of you, but I never really watched any videos. And while I was watching, I might have watched like 15 videos, and I was laughing out loud. So that's like right when I DM'd you, and I was like, we need to do a video together.
Yeah, I was like, we probably do. I am so excited, you guys, because Kylie wanted me to do her makeup, and I was so down. I feel like you were notorious for just beautiful and light glam,
Yes.
but it's Halloween time, and you guys know this is like my time to play.
Yeah.
I do not back down when it comes to Halloween.
No, I'm letting you do whatever you want to do. I'm your model, so whatever.
Kylie just launched a beautiful new entire Halloween collection with Kylie
Yes.
Cosmetics. So for today's video, I wanted to give her still a beautiful Kylie glam, but with a James Charles Halloween twist. I'm so excited. Do you know what we're doing yet today?
No, I don't. All I know is that you're gonna use the palette.
Yep.
And I'm gonna be a skeleton.
Yep.
Okay.
We're gonna turn into a sister skeleton. I am so excited.
Well, my Halloween collection launches on the 12th. KylieCosmetics.com.
Yes.
3 p.m. PST. So I wanted to, of course, do this with you. I thought it'd be fun to celebrate the launch and also work together.
Love that.
Because I wanted to really bad. I haven't done like I don't do much YouTube videos.
Have you ever done a collaboration before?
I haven't done a collab video. Only me and Jordan, but
Love
Jordan's
that.
like my wifey, so.
That's so true.
But
Wow, love being the first.
I know, you're definitely the first. And
Love my exclusivity contract.
yeah. 6 months and then call me. No, you made me giggle, so.
Oh good, I'm really glad about that.
So.
We've already been together for a while. This video's a mess.
Oh, you have a little orange fluff in your face.
Oh, please take it off. Thanks. Make a wish.
Should we be honest with them?
Do you want to be honest
Just
with
tell
them?
them what happened.
Probably you should definitely be honest with
We've
them.
been shooting for like 3 hours, and we lost all the audio.
Yeah, so,
So-
spoiler alert and sister surprise, there's another video coming later on in a few weeks.
We lost all the video. We've been sitting here for like 3.5 hours, but it's cool. And we're just gonna have a positive outlook because we really want to do this for you guys and give you this. So
Yeah, so we're acting like we're filming this first, but this is a total lie.
This
is
is like-
the second video.
this is the second video.
So
So anyway,
now you can feel our pain.
that's unfortunate.
Yeah, really sad. It's the curse of Halloween.
That's a good way to look at it.
Yeah.
But we were really positive about it.
We were.
We caught it pretty quick.
Yeah, halfway to the second video. After crying.
No, I'm crying too.
Why does this happen to me?
Thank you, sister.
I'm sure you can feel how annoyed we are about this. The whole situation was very spooky. But what better way to deal with a spooky situation than to create a spooky Halloween look on my favorite sister, Kylie. So now we're going to start filming this video before we both cry more. Let's jump into the video. Excuse me.
Sorry.
Let's get started. Do you have concealer on yet?
Yeah.
On your lid?
Yeah.
Did you just lie to me?
No, I just have
You definitely did.
just a little bit of foundation. It's like concealer.
Did you set
it's
it?
This one. I don't think so.
Kylie. Okay, look down. So first we're gonna grab the palette and dip into the shade Halloween. Halloween. Love a punny, sister. We're gonna place this in the crease. I really haven't decided what look I wanna go for yet, but that's the beauty of makeup. You can kind of decide as you go. I wanna start off with like an orange moment on the top, and I think I wanna bring it really, really smoky onto the bottom lash line and wing it out because I wanna do the bottom half of Kylie's face into a skull, a sister skull.
Okay.
Obviously, the entire makeup community always loves following all of your launches, and I've been definitely excited about all of them. But I saw you tweeting about this Halloween collection, and you were like really, really pumped about it.
Yeah.
Do you want to talk about it?
I mean, as everybody knows, I do all my own like reveals, like my Snapchats, because at a certain point someone asked me to like, why don't you just have someone take the videos for you and then post
Right.
them? But I'm like, I like to do it myself because I know how I want my makeup to look and I know I can get the best lighting and
Right.
whatever. So after I showed people, I just felt the love and the response, and I made me remember why I do what I do.
Yeah.
So it was a pretty cool feeling, and it kind of reminded me what I used to feel like when I first started. I get really excited about things. I work for a very long time. I work really hard on it. I put like so much love into everything.
Right.
And I'm like 100% involved in creating the packaging. If I want this little thing spot gloss, or I want this metallic material, what kind of like cardboard's used. I have someone who helps me with renderings, but I don't have anyone that comes and shows me designs and say like, you should do this. And I'm like, okay, approved, approved, approved. I tell my designer what I want to see on the rendering. So yeah, I'm just like really involved. So then when I finally show people and they get excited about it, it makes me very excited.
Oh, that's like really everything.
Yeah.
How long has Kylie Cosmetics been around? This is year
About to be
three, right?
in November.
Oh my god, happy almost birthday.
Thank
Love
you.
that. How has like starting a makeup line changed your life? Because it single-handedly changed the beauty community, that's for sure.
Thanks. It changed my life because it gave me purpose and it allowed me to express myself. It's really my passion. It's like makeup. So to be able to live out my passion every day and like have fun while I work is probably the best part. Who doesn't want to play with makeup all day? It's so much fun. How did you get started in makeup?
Coincidentally enough, very themed for this video, I started on Halloween actually, almost 3 years ago as well. So my 3-year anniversary is coming up. Oh my god, and I did a skeleton look too.
Stop.
This is so full circle.
This makes sense.
Love that. I was just playing around with some makeup that I had saved from doing a few different clients before, and I put it on myself for the first time, and it actually
And you were like, I love this.
Yeah, it was kind of fun, and it actually looked decent too, so I just like kept practicing. The first time I ever did makeup is documented on Instagram, so literally every single time since.
So cool.
So like one day in like 10 years I'll be able to literally pull every single time that I've ever worn makeup.
That's
which I think is
amazing.
like so crazy.
I love that.
So it's just been like a really amazing journey from literally just doing it in my basement to now all of a sudden having it as a real job.
Well, you're killing it. I love to watch your videos.
Thanks, sister.
This looks bomb.
If you're not watching YouTube, because literally when I'm not working, I'm probably watching YouTube videos.
Yeah.
What is like a typical day of Sister Kylie?
Kylie Cosmetics pretty much takes up most of my days and work. On the weekends are usually just me and Stormy.
Love that.
And I'll try to spend as much time with her as possible. And then when I'm not spending time with her, I'm just working, you know, normal Kylie.
How is Sister Stormy?
Sister Stormy's so good. She's 8 months old, about to be a year.
She's
I
already
guess.
8 months old?
And it really is making me
my
sad.
God.
Yeah, it's crazy, right? But she's just changing every day. She really is becoming like a little person. She reminds me a lot of Kendall.
Oh, love
Her
that.
personality.
Sister Kendall, oh my
so
god.
funny.
I'm sure like being a mother has obviously changed your life the most ever in the world. Do
Yeah.
you love it?
I really feel like this is what I've always was meant to do. I used to have dreams, even like at a young age, of like having kids.
Really?
I don't know, like actual dreams. I don't know. I felt like it was just a part of my life that I was craving. I don't feel like a different person. I just look at life a little differently.
Yeah. Do you want to have more?
I do want to have more, but when is the question?
Right. Do you want to give Stormy a brother or a sister?
Sisters only.
Of course.
But really?
love that.
Like I want 7 girls and then like maybe I'll consider a boy.
Do you have name ideas yet?
Yes, but I'm not gonna tell you.
Wow, really
Just
rude.
kidding. Just kidding.
I love
Who
the name
knows?
Stormy.
How I thought of Stormy. Travis thinks that he thought of Stormy.
But it was you.
It was me. I remember the whole thing, but he swears he made her name up. I was just looking on nature names, like weather, like earth inspired. Willow was on there, and then
That's so pretty too.
love the name Willow.
Oh, you probably need a Willow Jenner.
You think?
Probably do,
But I feel
yeah.
like I know a Willow.
Smith.
She is a great Willow. I'm close with her. So you know when you know someone with that
True.
name,
You can't really do it.
you
It's
can't
like
really do
taken.
it. Yeah, it's taken.
I like
But
that. I think that'd be a
anyway,
beautiful
Storm was
name.
on there.
Yeah.
Just Storm. And then I was like, I kind of want an IE like me.
Oh, yeah.
So then I did Stormy IE, okay?
Yeah.
And then it was always Stormy with an IE. I mean, I bought custom things for her that said her name,
Love
IE.
that.
I bought her the blocks, Stormy IE. And then I didn't fully choose her name. I wanted to like have a week of just me and her to see if I wanted to change it. Because I had one other name in mind, but Stormy always felt like her name from when she was in the womb. It's almost like she chose her name. So then when they called me from the birth certificate office and I was finalizing the name, they were like, how do you want to spell it? And I was like, STORMI. And they're like, you sure? And I'm like, yeah, just an I.
You just changed it right then and
Literally
there?
right then and there, I
Okay,
just
me
changed
with
it to
lots
an
of
I.
things.
And then they were like, okay, and I hung up the phone. I was like, damn, I guess that's her name. And then I called Travis and I was like, I didn't put an E, I just spelled it with an I. He was like, that's cool. This looks gorgeous. Sorry.
You spooked me. Oh my god, are you going trick-or-treating this year?
I-
Are you gonna take Stormy
I'm
trick-or-treating?
gonna take her to one house.
Whose? Chris's?
My neighbor. And we live on a new street, and there's no houses on that.
That's probably good for you, though.
It's just me and my neighbor, I swear. It's the most quiet street I've ever been on.
I'm gonna grab the shade Hex on My Ex. Love that name. And we're gonna put this on the lower lash line. I want to do like a little bit of a smoky purple moment, really just to dramatize it and also to like to tie in the whole skeletal moment that's about to go on. A very interesting Forbes article was just posted.
Oh, you saw that?
They have crossed paths with the article. It's not like it was everywhere or anything. Congratulations.
Thank you.
Billionaire status. Kind of fun, kind of fresh. Can't wait to join the club one day. Fingers crossed.
Thank you.
Are you the most excited in the entire world?
Hold on. You could put that in, it's cool. I'm so excited. It's definitely been such a blessing to do what I love every day. I worked so hard from starting only
A few years ago.
almost 3 now. It's pretty crazy.
We're very close in age.
Yeah.
You're only 2 years older than me.
We're like
Sisters.
sisters.
It's just really inspirational to see that type of stuff with someone so young, working so hard and just like doing that. You've been a major source of inspiration to me, and I'm sure a ton of other kids out there as well who really want to work hard and just do something for themselves. I've obviously done a few reviews on you and like on Kim's collections and stuff, and people always, as I'm sure you know, are always commenting stupid stuff like they don't do anything, they have no talent.
I mean,
Being
it's
business savvy is a talent.
It's definitely a talent.
The comment is, it's so old at this point. Like, everybody's talents are different. And in my opinion, being able to use your own name and likeness in order to build a brand is one of the best talents in the entire world. And like, I will stand by that until the end of time. People do the same thing to me. They're like, oh my God, James, like, you've literally gotten famous over scandals and like stupid viral photos. Like, and I'm like, okay, like it works. You guys are all still here.
Yeah.
Hello?
Well, I could see how hard you work, and I know I work so hard. I could have been in the same position and done it completely differently, and so could you have.
Right. Now on top of that purple, I want to layer a little something over top. We're gonna grab the Hello Gorgeous glitter eyes and just a little bit of a concealer brush and just pack that right on top of the cut crease that we already made, just to intensify it and make it look a little bit more metallic. Oh, that looks pretty.
Pretty. Were you like an artist before makeup?
Yeah, I used to draw a lot when I was younger. I drew you one time.
Really?
I kind of want to find it because it's low-key kind of good.
Ooh.
Kind of fun.
Love that.
That was 2016.
How cute.
All right, so that is pretty much the eyes all complete, but
Love it.
we are not done with this look yet because I'm going to turn you into a sister skeleton.
Okay, let's do it.
I just want to take it like to the next level.
I'm
Why
down.
not? Go big or go home, right?
I'm down because honestly, I never really get crazy with my eyes like this, but I really love
You
this.
decide this is like crazy for your eyes.
Yeah. This, of course,
I
it's
love
crazy
that.
for my eyes. What's crazy for your eyes?
A lot more than this.
But no, I love it. I think it looks super bomb. I would actually go out like this, but let's do the skeleton.
Let's do it. To start off the skeleton today, I need to sketch out like the highlights first.
Okay.
So then I can focus on the shadows.
Okay.
So I'm gonna use a white eyeliner pencil. I'm gonna start right above your ear over here. What is the craziest makeup you've ever had on?
Probably this. I'm being honest.
Really?
Probably.
Okay, speaking of crazy makeup looks, what has been your worst red carpet moment?
Well, I kind of have a lot. No, for
Okay,
real.
me,
I
literally
have
me.
many bad ones. I don't know, my style's just changed so much. I see photos of me all day that's just like, nah, girl, like, whatever. But I don't really care. I'm also not the type of person that a lot of people probably think I am, except my true fans have seen me like looking like super crazy out. I don't really care. Like, I leave the house every day not thinking I'm Kylie, really. Like, I don't really feel like I have to leave the house in full, like, put together outfit and glam, and I'm just like, I hope no one catches me. They usually do.
Right.
And I'm always looking crazy in the streets, but I can't think of one specifically. All I know is that my red carpet looks have changed.
I want to go in and sketch out the teeth on your lips. Do you have like a favorite makeup look that you've ever worn to a red carpet or to an event before?
My favorite makeup look was when I wore teal hair, long teal hair. Ariel did my makeup. That's my favorite, not because I think it's the best we've ever done, but I think that started like how I like my makeup done. Like, we figured out my look and then we perfected it.
All right, we are back and the highlights are all done.
It was getting a little hot and steamy, so I wanted to take
We're
my
having
jacket
a lot of fun
off.
in here. We're gonna go to the shadows now just because we have to do everything kind of like backwards order because adding white over top of black is a lot harder than the other way around.
Okay.
I'm actually just gonna lightly like inner line, I guess, the black parts as well because I'm actually gonna use the purple shade Hex on My Ex to blend everything in. So it's like a midnight skull instead of just like black. Makes it more fun, add some dimension. What sister would you say you're the closest with right now?
Me and Kendall are like opposites, but I love her. And she was definitely the closest I was with growing up because we're the closest in age.
Yeah.
Right now, I talk to them all for like different things. I talk to them all on a daily. Probably Chloe and Kim, since we're both like just had 3 babies together pretty much. They have play dates all day.
I love
Stormy
that.
and Chicago were taking a bath last night together in my house.
Oh, love that.
They just all like really are triplets.
So now that the lines are all lined out, thank God, we get to move on to the actual fun part, which is going to be, once again, the eyeshadow. So I'm gonna grab the shade Hex on my X, and I'm gonna start using this and a little bit of setting spray to fill in the skull. How would you say like growing up in the public eye and spotlight has like,
I mean, I definitely
you?
think that it's not for everybody, and
Yeah.
I was chosen to be in this position because I feel like God knows that I'm strong. Because a lot of people.
this can be intense and like you're
This
at
is
like a whole new
intense.
level.
I've been in the spotlight since I was like 9, really. But I feel like it's just my life. Like I don't know anything. I don't know
Right.
what normal is. Also, I have like the best family ever. We're all in it together, and the second one of us like gets out of line, we're like,
Right.
put it way back to earth.
yeah.
Like way
Humble
back
and
to
right
earth.
down.
Like if I didn't have my family, especially, I feel like I would have just. I mean, they keep me grounded too.
Right. It's important. Gotta stay humble. To finish off the skull, I'm just gonna grab a little purple duochrome highlight moment and just place this on some of the kind of center areas just to give a nice little blue purple highlight. Oh,
Everything.
that's fun. So the skull is basically all complete, and to finish off Kylie's look today, I'm gonna grab the brand new highlighter in the shade Go Ghost. This color is so cool. It's like,
It kind of looks a little
greeny.
minty.
Yeah.
But it comes off on the skin pretty gold.
Oh my God.
It's like a cool,
Oh
unique
wow,
color,
that is
right?
cool.
That was pretty fast. Like I'm amazed at how fast you could do this.
I told you I could do special effects.
This
type of
is
stuff
like
fast.
very, very cool. You have the talent. I don't know if anyone told you. You should maybe try YouTube.
You think? Thanks, means a lot. Perhaps I'll have to try it out. Give you one last spritz to set everything together. I think we're done.
Whoop, whoop.
Do you like it?
I love it.
I
I'm
think
just
it-
gonna go out like this after.
I think it's like really everyday wearable.
No,
you know?
this is the most glam, gorgeous skull definitely I've ever seen, and I'm very impressed.
Thanks, sister. Oh my God, I'm so glad you like hot
I
turned
had so
out.
much fun with you today.
Thanks.
For real, I've been here all day. I was supposed to be here for 2 hours, it's been 8.
Well, that's what happens when your
But
microphone
it was
turns
worth
off.
it, and I had fun.
I'm really glad you did. Thank you so much for coming on my channel.
course.
This is so much fun.
Of course, I want to do so many more.
Yeah, definitely down.
Because since I have my 6-month exclusivity,
Yes.
we better
really
that
use it
shit.
up. Yeah. We got a lot more coming for you guys. We have a few other ideas in the pipelines that me and Sister Kylie definitely want to work on together. If you guys enjoyed this video today and you like Kylie's little spooky Halloween glam, please don't forget to give it a big thumbs up down below and come subscribe if you have not already. Come join the sisterhood. We are 8 million sisters strong. I'd love to have you join the family, and also click the bell icon so you can get notification every time I upload a brand new video. If you'd like to follow me on my makeup journey, you can follow me on Instagram and Twitter. They're both just James Charles, and my Snapchat for more behind the scenes type stuff is James Charles with an extra S after Charles.
Wow. At Kylie Jenner.
Yeah, pretty easy. This video's sister shout out goes to Sister Hales. Thank you so much, love, for always following and supporting. You know I love you literally so much. And if you'd like to be the next video's sister shout out, don't forget to always retweet my video links when they go live on Twitter.
We love you, Sister Hales.
We really do.
All she cares about is money in the city where she's from. Her intention is the paper she don't